Welcome to Easy Journal Doodles, day 6 with me. Today's spread is all about self care. I have been trying to give every day a different perspective, a different spread, and today is all about self care. If you're someone who believes in positivity, in journaling, in maintaining a self care routine by affirmations and manifestation, for a self care spread, I have chosen three elements. First is a candle, second is a bathtub, and third is a Sunday morning. Once we are done with the outline, let's give our candle a wick and then some details that it shows the candle has been melting. So the second thing on the spread today, as called out, is a bathtub. For the bathtub, I'm using a rectangle first. So with the rectangle, I'll be able to give out a shape where the right side and the left side will be equal, and I'll be able to map it out that way. And after I have done with my rough sketch, I will remove the excess of rectangle and the other outline, so I know where I have to trace out. I've chosen a bathtub doodle for self-care day because it resonates so much, right? A hot tub, hot water tub. You just imagine and you feel so relaxing. That's so smoothing, right? Let me know in the comment section if you ever had a self-care day and if it included a hot water bath or a jacuzzi. And when we're talking about a bathtub, it can never be without bubbles. So let's add some bubbles to our bathtub. Once we're happy with our shape, let's trace it out now. I always use a black gel pen because it suits me best, but if you have a black marker or if you're comfortable using a marker, then you can go ahead with that as well. Just like in the previous video we did to the potion bottle, we're going to give a bathtub a 3D effect by giving it a sort of double layering on the top. Here comes the last doodling of the day, and it's a Sunday. I think when the sun rises in the morning, it gives us a new ray of hope. Most of us tend to, put things to next day because it feels like a new day. It feels like a new start of something better and previously not encountered. So on a self-care day, I want to add a new morning to my page. So it gives me that hope, it gives me that energy, and it reflects that there's always a tomorrow, that sun will shine and you will shine with it. Coming towards the end of the video, I really hope these spreads make you smile. These spreads give you that feeling that you can resonate with it, and when you try it out, it gives you that exact feeling I am experiencing while I do it. Recreate them, feel the self-care day to day, add this to your journal, and tag me in my thinking window on my Instagram page. I'll be so happy to see if you recreate this. With that said, I really wish that all good things come to you this weekend. You enjoy a good Sunday. I'll see you tomorrow with another spread. Until then, happy journaling.